Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the feature mirroring tool in Fusion 360. So you first off have to have a object to, or feature to mirror. So I have these cuts that I did on this side, and instead of trying to cut them again, I thought I should mirror them. So, well, I want to create a sketch on this surface so I can draw a point where to mirror the features. So I go over there and then I can draw this. This line is basically, it'll give me an indication of where to mirror them. But what the mirror tool wants is a plane that it can mirror in. So I can use this edge to decide the plane. So you have to create a plane. So you go to offset plane. I want it to be a plane along the Y and Z axis, but I want it to be to this point. So I go over here to click distance to object, and I can click the point, and then OK, and now I've got that plane that I can mirror from. So now we go to the mirror tool, go to create, then mirror. Then I make sure that the pattern type is, well, if it's a face that you want to mirror, you click face. If it's body, but these are cuts, and cuts are features. So I go click on features. I can then select the features, or I could click them here individually. I then go over to the mirror plane and I select the plane that I want to mirror on, and then I go OK, and ta-da. So I've got these cuts now. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time.